All right, Chris, you got Tripp here with you today. We're gonna take you for a good ride. We're out here at Driveway Austin. We're gonna have some fun. You got any questions or anything you want me to work on while we're out there?
Oh, good. Whatever you want to do, man.
Well, I want to take it drifting, but I don't think they'll let me do that.
Fair enough.
All right, Chris, so we're gonna pull up here. We're gonna pause here momentarily and build a good gap. All right, so when I'm gonna go over my hand commands when I back on throttle, lifting up off the gas, and then back to the brakes, brake, brakes. Nice and smooth on those brakes. We're also bringing it back to my side and then back to your side as well. All right, so I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and follow that Porsche on out, and we're gonna probably still catch him in just a few seconds.
Right.
Nice and smooth as we bring it back on over to the green cone on my side. We'll bring it back to the green cone on your side of the track. As we come back onto the little straightaway here, all the way on over to my side, nice and smooth. We'll start rolling into that power here. All the way up through here, we lift. It's a good squeeze on the brakes. Back on over to the green cone on my side, nice and smooth on around, all the way out to the orange cone. Again, there's one more squeeze on those brakes. Back out to the green cone on your side. Keeping it nice and tidy here through the chicane. As we go back on over to the orange cone on my side, back over to the green cone, tidy on your side. Jumping on down. Back on over to the green cone again on your side, nice and smooth. Working our way on out, all the way out to the orange cone. Orange cone takes us back to the green cone on my side, nice and smooth, accelerating all the way out to the orange cone on your side. Again, back over to the green cone here, accelerating on the orange cone. Again, I'll lift off that gas, little squeeze on those brakes here, all the way down into the braking zone, keep down here. Orange cone here is going to bring us back on over to the green cone on my side. Work our way all the way out to the red cone on the outside. Again, one more squeeze on the brakes here, brings us back over to the green cone, sets us up for a nice good straightaway shot out through here, all the way down through here. Let's run it out. All the way out to the yellow cone on the outside. Those brakes brings us back on over to the green cone, nice and smooth, all the way out through here. Big brakes as we bring it down through here. Orange cone on my side is going to bring us back on over to the red cone on here. One more squeeze on the brakes at the orange cone, brings us back to the green cone, back to the green cone, and we'll work our way all the way to the outside, back on over here, straight ahead. Good squeeze on those brakes here, back on over to the green cone on my side of the track. How was that first lap for you, man?
Yeah, awesome.
Doing pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Red cone here, another good big brake here, brings us up onto the slow section on the front straightaway, all the way up through here, nice and smooth. Orange cone back on over to the green cone here on my side, all the way on around, back on over here, nice and smooth, working our way on around the track. We'll get on up through here, we'll roll into that power all the way up through here. We'll lift off that gas, another good squeeze on those brakes. Orange cone here brings us back to the green cone on my side, nice and smooth, all the way around, back over to the orange cone, back over to the green cone on your side. As we accelerate up through there to the chicane, out to the orange cone on the outside, back to the green cone on your side. Go back down the hill, nice and smooth, all the way on around, back to the green cone on your side, accelerating up to the orange cone. Orange cone takes us back on over to the green cone on my side. We accelerate all the way up through here. They see us, they're going to give us a pass in just a minute, all the way on over here to the yellow cone. Back on over here to the red cones on your side. And it's going to be a nice big hard on brakes, nice and smooth back through here. And it's back on over to the green cone on my side. We're going to get the pass coming out through here. Back to the green cone on your side, back to the green cone on my side, bring it on around. Nice and smooth to the red cone. Little squeeze on the brakes here, nice and smooth back on over the green cone on my side, all the way out to the red cone. Accelerating on up. Still doing good with me on that second lap?
Yeah, man.
Awesome, bringing it all the way on around, back to the green cone on my side, nice and smooth, accelerating on up. Back on over to the green cone on my side, all the way on around, back to the green cone on your side. We'll get ready to accelerate back through this section here. Nice and smooth, and we'll go ahead and roll into that power. Pump off that throttle, good squeeze on the brake. And back on over to the green cone on my side, nice and smooth, all the way on over to the orange cone. We're going to get ready to go back through the chicane through here, tighty to your side, nice and smooth on around, back to the orange cone on the outside, little squeeze on brakes, back down the hill, we're going to go. Back on over all the way on around, out to the orange cone. Back on over to the green cone, nice and smooth, and work our way on out, back on power. All the way through here, back through here, nice and smooth. Then, back on over, one more squeeze on the brakes through here. Orange cone, green cone on your side. Back on over to the green cone on my side. Nice and smooth. Bringing it all the way on around. One more time up to the red cone. A little squeeze on those brakes. And we're getting ready to bring it back into pit road. So what'd you think about the HellCat?
Oh, shit.
Nice and sweet, huh?
Yeah, with you driving. Wow. Holy moly.
It's incredible what this thing can do, huh?
Unbelievable.
That was awesome, man. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Favorite car to drive?
I like driving this one.
Really?
I'm a muscle car guy.
All right. Do you ever get to go on a circle tracks anywhere? And
Oh
just
yeah,
really...
I've done all kinds of racing. So my background right now is in drifting. I've done circle
really?
track, I've done road racing, and now I do endurance racing.
Right there, how was it?
Awesome.
Go ahead and pull that sock down a little bit for me. Come on, big. One. Sir.
Grin, Chris, that was awesome.
All right,
Thanks, man. I
thank
appreciate
you.
it. We're gonna
Yep.
let that car pull